In this video, you'll learn how to change your password in the OKX app. By following these steps, you will enhance your account security and ensure your information remains protected. Start by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the profile icon positioned in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the profile icon. This action will take you to your account overview. From here, look for the option labeled Account and Security and tap on it to proceed to the security settings related to. After that, find and select the login password option within the account and security settings. This will direct you to a screen where you can manage your password settings. Now, tap on the Change Password option. This will prompt you to enter your current password. Ensure that you type it accurately, as this is necessary for verification purposes. Once you have entered your current password, input your new password. Remember that your new password must be at least 8 characters long and should include a mix of letters and numbers to enhance its strength. After entering the new password, you will be required to confirm it by typing it again in a designated field. This step is crucial to ensure that there are no typos or errors in your new password. The next step involves entering a verification code. You can choose to receive this code via email, SMS, or through Google Authenticator, depending on your preferred method of authentication. Once you receive the code, input it into the provided field. Upon successful entry of the verification code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the password change has been completed. This process not only secures your account, but also helps in preventing unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.